What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin, back in my bathroom one more again, and today we have a special Pride edition of Just Unlocked. So today was Wichita Pride. The parade was today. It was really fun. I just got back from it, and I figured I would do a quick tutorial on a low bun that you can wear with a hat. I've only done this a few times. Because it's summer, you can't just be rocking this every day, and because I work so much, I can't really just wear this every day. But today at the parade, I definitely decided to wear something a little bit simple and, cool. I like it, it's swaggy. I'm gonna just let y'all know in like real quick how to do this, okay? Well, actually, hold on. Before we even get started, we was passing out. I was walking with Bar XY Bar. That's the bar that I work at right now. And so I was walking with them. Ooh, fruit punch chew, fruit punch. We was passing out candy, sunglasses, t-shirts, beads, bracelets, everything. So that was fun. I was walking with them, and I'm gonna do like Chance the Rapper and just, have a little gum, a little chew. But anyway, okay, without further ado, let's start this tutorial. Alright, so first of all, I have to lose the hat. Do I have a tan line from having the hat? I would say it's very subtle. You can see it on the camera. Yeah, I have a tan line. Okay, so this is what you do, right? I use this, just whenever I'm going outside and I need my hair out of my face. And I also I don't want to put in a ponytail because it'll be on my back. And because it's hot out now and it's the summer, I just don't want the hair anywhere on me. I don't want it to touch me at all. Oh, my hair looks good though. So long, do y'all see this link? By the way, quick update on my figuring out what I'm doing with my locks. I am literally a flip-flopper. In more ways than one, that's a different story. But I'm not. I think I'm second guessing myself on this decision. I think that I don't have the time, patience, willpower to comb out my locks. And I'm not saying I'm gonna cut them. I'm just saying that I do want to change my hair and do something different, but it may be just a little bit later in life. Maybe not this summer. Maybe sometime later, maybe in the winter, because I just have a lot going on once I get back from this cruise, and it really starts up back in August. So we only have about 6 more weeks of like freedom, quote unquote, before it gets really into the thick of it. So I think I'm gonna keep them for now. Also, I realized that when people compliment you on something, I like that, and I think everyone likes that. But the only reason I'm thinking about this is because yesterday when I was filling up gas at the gas station, this lady came up. I had my hair up in a bun, so it was just all up in my face, kind of over here or whatever. And this girl walks up, she had locks too, but hers weren't as long as mine. And she was like, I want your bun. She's like, I love your locks. And I was like, thank you. And that happened yesterday, and then also 2 girls said they liked my locks, and then today at the parade there was a guy who said that he liked my locks. So I don't know, maybe I just need to give the people what they want. At the same time, I really don't want to have my life be revolving around that. Not around it, but more than my damn locks. Come on now. Anyway, back to the hairpiece. Sorry, I had to digress for a second, but we're back. So get you one of these extremely long. It's like, I would say it's about 12 inches length, so like 2 feet of just a rubber band stretchy hair tie. I got this at Sam's. So yeah, go to your Sam's beauty store. Put this first over your whole thing, okay, over your neck. You wanna do a little ponytail, so grab it to where your hair reaches I think it's the nape of your neck, okay, where this part. Right here. This is where you want the bun to be. So when you put the hat on or the beanie, your locks are still peeping out from the back of it, from underneath it, okay? So you grab your locks in a low pony, bring this with your other hand over your head to where that reaches, okay? Then take your hand. I'm twisting it forward like this so you can grab it, okay? So again, take your hand, put it in here, grab it forward, put your locks like here. So you grab it with the other hand. Now, free hand, your other hand, powerful people. Gay pride. all I ha! Black last time, or Justin, get it right, get it together, okay. So do that. Take your other hand, pull your locks through, but don't pull your locks all the way through. Okay, so the hand that was holding the locks, my right hand, you're gonna pull your locks through just enough so where your right hand can grab the ends of those locks. So you're kind of doubling the locks onto themselves. So like this. So you're gonna pull it a little bit through and then grab the rest of the locks with your hand like so. Then left hand, pull the thing tight. So you wanna go through the back, okay? And then twist it like so. And then take it and pull it over the bands like so. Your locks are up off your neck for the most part. Some will kind of dangle. You can take those, wrap them around, and throw them into the thing like so. If you have little distractors, you can do that like that. But that way you have a low bun. It's kind of messy, it looks disheveled, looks like you really even tried. These little things, I'm gonna actually just leave those like that. I feel like I like it. I like it like that. So that's the back. This is the side view. Front, my pretty face. Another side view, and then you know the back. So very simple. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. It's very simple. And then of course, put your hat on. Bun should be low enough to where your brim sits right on top of it, or just above it, okay? You don't want your hat to be, you don't want it to be too high because then you won't be able to wear your hat all the way. And of course, if you wear your hat forward, same thing. Kind of like every time I wear a black hat like this, I feel like Janet Jackson. But that way, your bun sits right underneath the back of your cap, okay? So really quick, really simple. It's not that big of a deal, but it's just something that like looks really cool and will definitely get you a compliment or two. Actually, I'm gonna take these little things and tuck those in like so. If you want to use a bobby pin, go for that and use that. If you need another rubber band to really secure your locks, if you have really long locks, maybe if you have longer locks and you need another band like this that's a little bit thicker, gives you a little bit more security, you know, do that as well. But yeah. That's the style. Very simple, very cute, very cool looking. I like it. It's one of my favorites, one of my go-tos. It's definitely something I do when I'm trying to look a little more masculine than my everyday, which is, I don't know. It depends on how you feel about it in the gender binary, or if you're even non-binary. I don't care, whatever. But anyway, that's basically it. So enjoy some. I hope you enjoyed, you know, this video today. If you did, or if you went to any Pride in your city, let me know how it was. Let me know what city you're from, and let me know what city you went to support Pride at. And remember, this is not if you're like gay or lesbian or transgender or bisexual. This is, you can just be an ally if you were there to support, or if you didn't go to support but you're still supporting the movement and the fight that we're fighting right now. Just, you know, just give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Let me know where you're supporting from, and thank you if you are. That's all I'm gonna say. Hit me up on social media. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat because I be going off on there, and that's mostly where I post my day-to-day life stories. And what else? Oh, Instagrizzy. Follow me on the IG, okay? Justin Locs. It's very simple. No K, okay? I don't know why people think there's a K in Locs. There's no K in Locs, okay? So there's that, and then obviously don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you haven't already. Do that, okay? And then also click the little bell notification so every time I post a video, it'll make a little boop. And that way you'll be able to tune in and watch shit like this, okay? So do that, okay? And what's that? That's it. We done. Okay, if you wanna watch last week's video, right there. You wanna watch a playlist of more videos of great content, right over there. And then of course, this little circle right here, subscribe to this channel, y'all, all right? Great stuff coming, All right, well, happy Pride, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace, and keep it locked.